Man, I sit down and I think, what a great year it was. Let's reflect upon that year. Let's take a look at the first, the worst, and the latest. They give us some spherical parameters. How do you find the slope between 2 points? You absolutely need to watch this video. This is the one video you need to watch before you go and buy a car. We've made a lot of improvements around here. Yeah, you just saw the clip of the first, the worst, and the latest video. What's brought around these? Changes. We have new lights, new shirts. Separates us from those stuffy tie guys. Window stickers. We've changed from the whiteboard, which was so hard to light, into a porcelain blackboard. We now have new computers, right, so that we can get the videos done twice as fast. 2 computers. I love my Mini, but I also love my Pro. We got a green screen, right? It was promised in the New Year's resolution. We even have hand videos making fun of hand videos. This is awesome. Guess what? We even have commercials. Okay, you gotta tell me the truth. Do I look like this guy? Do you see him? Do you see him? Oh, he's holding an apple. Why is Math by 5 successful? It's different. It makes sounds. Let's take a closer look at some of our greatest hits. Goes and it goes. Ooh, ooh. Right. Oh no! Oh no! What are you gonna do? General strategy for factoring. First rule of factoring, never talk about factoring. Knock knock, who's there? How do you multiply the fractions? Straight across. Now I got H's on both sides, one of them on one side. Which side? Don't care. 1, fun. 2, old. 3, teehee. Teehee, 4, sure. 5, 6, 7, 8, great. 9, fun. Sure. Alright, yeah. Oh no! What are you gonna do? You gotta get that boom, boom, boom. 2 and 5, X and X. Bam, bam. Bring them on down, bring them on down, bring them on down, bring them on down. 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Nah, see, what do I need? I need a common denominator. And what would a common denominator be if you had one? Yes. And what I like to circle it. Lets me know I've changed it. And add down. What about? Yeah. Root 2. What about square root 2? That's the nickname of my ex-girlfriend. She kind of gave it to herself, right? You know why? Because like these numbers, she was irrational. It goes, it goes, it goes. Graphing. Dun 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 dun. Graphing. All you need is dun 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 dun. Y equals mx plus b. Oh. I think old school. It was the bomb. Wow, let's look at some of the numbers. Facebook, wow, 309 people like this site. The Math by 5's page on Facebook. Here's the total likes over the last year. Look at that sucker. It's increasing. It looks like it's about to go exponential. 17,000 post views. Wow. Now let's take a look at the activity on Facebook. Notice the current pump in activity. Very nice. I think a lot of this just might be due to another online aficionado. You know who you are. Shout out to Jojo. Look at the countries that the Math by 5's Facebook page is in. Big in the United States, big in the Philippines, big in Canada, coming up in the UK, coming up in the rest of the world. YouTube. You gotta love YouTube. Look at this. 61,000 hits, 223 subscribers. We're all over the map. Oh, look, there's a picture of the map. 12% of our hits are coming from Canada. Wow. 3% from the Philippines. What else? Subscribers. Look at the total subscribers. We have 23 Canadian subscribers. Thank you guys. Thank you rest of the world. 11 from the UK. Wow. Look at the traffic we've gotten on YouTube. See, fall semester? It's really building. One day we had 671 hits in a single day. And then it dropped off for the holidays. Apparently, people don't give enough math on the holidays. And now it's picking back up. It's spring quarter now. I'm seeing a pattern, a trend. This is gonna get big. We really have come a long way this year. I can't wait to see what happens next. Study. Ask questions.